Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. This is our first video today for AI side and the technology side. Again, I'm going to keep it as brief as possible, maybe 5 to 6 minutes long. We are going to talk about a host of stocks that we have been tracking with price targets. One is SMCI, which we have been tracking for the last 4 sessions. Tesla, Microsoft, Palantir, FNGU, Amazon, and Meta. They're all proceeding as we planned and as we anticipated. So let's get started. Let's go to the TradingView platform. Well, here we are in the TradingView platform, and I would like to start off with SMCI first. So I'm going to get into the AI watch list, go to SMCI, and this is a daily chart that you are looking at, friends. And the main point I would like to make here is that yesterday I had said that SMCI will break through the bullish pennant, and I think many people expected that, and it did manage to break through. It opened above the bullish pennant in kind of a breakthrough. So this is the second attempt by, not exactly second, but 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth attempt by SMCI to break out on the upside of the bullish pennant. It's all going in the right direction. But today it managed to come down. Still, it has got the support from the 9-day, the 50-day, and the 20-day exponential moving averages. So things are still looking good. MACD is also bullish. I would like to see it become much more so. And momentum is still above average, but it's pointing in the wrong direction. But typically, when you have a bullish pennant, it always breaks out on the upside. So the day is still young. We'll see what happens towards the end of the day. I'm still looking forward to a breakout on the upside. The next one I want to talk to you about Tesla. In Tesla, we spoke about the double bottom yesterday, and I had put a price target for 204.78, give or take 20 cents here and there. So 205.31, it seems. Give me 1 second. Yeah, 204.95. So we are at 200.55 right now. So there is still more upside available, and we saw a very strong move up today. There was no gap up, but it opened pretty good, and it's proceeding further. The day is still young, plenty of room on the RSI. MACD is also still bullish. So go Tesla. It's going to do well. And once it meets that target, then we are looking at challenging the resistance at 208.09. So that's what I have about Tesla. And we have been tracking this for the last 3 days, and it's going exactly as we thought it would. And now I'm going to look at Microsoft, MSFT. So with regard to Microsoft, let us first find the ticker. Where is Microsoft out here? Okay, this is where Microsoft is. And with regard to Microsoft, we said it's trying to meet its cup and handle target. And there was $5 more left when we saw it last time. So for a target of 454.09, we are at 454.06. So we are almost there with the target. And I think once we meet this target, we'll have to look for fresh clues on what the next move is going to be. There is still room for RSI to go up, in my opinion, based on past examples. And everything is going well for Microsoft, and MACD is softening up, going towards the signal line. But I think as long as we achieve this price target, we would have succeeded. So it's all about fixing a price target and taking your money off the table once you reach the price target, and looking for firm clues so that you can put your money back on the table knowing where it's going to go. So that's the approach that I take. And the next thing I want to look at is Palantir, because we spoke about Palantir as well last time. And last time when we looked at Palantir yesterday, we said the cup and handle was there on the weekly chart, and it is struggling to break through resistance at 25.44. And that is still the case. We touched 25.44 and we were pushed back. Momentum is still pretty strong. MACD is still bullish, moving away from the signal line. I am thinking that the day is still young. It's only 10:32 a.m. So today I am expecting Palantir to convert 25.44 from a resistance to a support and cross over it. So that's my expectations. And then if you look at FNGU has done extremely well. It has crossed our cup and handle target that we had for it. And I think that at this point of time, it's entered into its previous highs, and it's trying to trace back to its previous highs, which is still a long way to go. So I'm going to start looking at new patterns for FNGU. I would like to go to a monthly and a weekly time frame and see if I can find out anything out here. So if I look at a monthly time frame, I don't have anything new for us out here. We have crossed the previous high from a monthly perspective. And if I go into a weekly time frame, let us see what we get. So we still have ways to go. I think the most we can look for is 469.55 in terms of the previous highs. So we are almost out there. So I don't know what's going to happen with FNGU, but the constituents are still strong. It's still an AI play, and the inflation report has come benign. So I think that there is more animal spirits left in the market. And if I go purely by technicals, I think there is plenty of room for the RSI to go up. MACD is also bullish. So I'll say go FNGU. FNGU can make further gains. Next, I want to look at Amazon, which was something that we saw last time as well. We had fixed a cup and handle target of 204.01. And we are right now at 197. So there is plenty of room for it to go up. Let me go into the daily chart, and let me look at the daily chart out here. What do we see? So if I were to scroll back here and go into the target here, it was 203.98. We are at 197. So plenty of room for this to go up. And if I look at the RSI, the RSI is just at 70%. It still has room to go up, and I think it will go slightly above 70% and then come down. MACD is still extremely bullish, so I would give a little more room for Amazon to go up before it starts consolidating, or maybe it has started consolidating today itself. Let us see what happens, because at this point of time, I think Amazon still has got an opportunity to consolidate and then move up in order to meet our cup and handle pattern. Next, I want to talk to you guys about Meta, because that's another thing that we had seen before. And with regard to Meta, what we had said was that it was making a second attempt to meet its price target for the cup and handle. So the cup and handle price target was 542.57. We are at 519, and we have plenty of room on the RSI to go up. We are a bit flat today, but there's plenty of room. MACD is also bullish, so I'm expecting Meta to move up, and the cumulative effect of Meta, Apple, Tesla, and AMD, Nvidia, all of these will show up in FNGU. So I'm thinking that overall the day is looking very good for us when it comes to AI. And the stronger part, I think, is Google, because Google has broken out of the bullish pennant like we are expecting other stocks to do so. And Google has been able to get a support of the 9-day exponential moving average, and it is moving comfortably up. And it had touched 70% on the RSI, decided to cool down a little bit, and MACD is still bullish. So all these constituents help FNGU to do better. So I think the AI market is still pretty strong, and we have Nvidia also doing pretty well today. And Nvidia has a resistance at 140.85, and it's very far from there. Momentum is above average and it is picking up, and MACD is moving towards the signal line to cross over to the bullish side. So overall, I'm very, very optimistic for the short term, which would be maybe until Monday or Tuesday. So that's what I'm thinking, my friends. Well, with that, I'd like to bring this video to an end. Please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so, get your friends to subscribe, help us get to 20,000. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.